Hello there, my name is McHorse, and welcome to another Blockbuster Tips episode. In this video, I'll introduce you to Record Morph. So, what is Record Morph? Record Morph allows you to encapsulate a Blockbuster player recording within a morph. What makes it special is that it means you can use player recordings within body part system, model block, BB gun, and etc. With Blockbuster player recordings being accessible through the morph, you can do a lot of nifty effects. However, any recorded actions that modify the world are not going to be replayed for obvious reasons. The most common application will be dynamic background actors placed with model blocks. Using Record Morph is pretty easy. For example, place a model block, right-click it and pick a morph. Look for Record Morph under Blockbuster Extra, and edit it. Then, pick a player recording from the list, pick an initial morph and it should just work. To demonstrate the power behind the Record Morph, let me scale down the model block. Record Morph's options are quite self-explanatory. Loops option determines whether the action should be repeated after it ends, and random skip allows to configure a random amount of ticks between 0 and whatever you input in the random skips field, which allows to add some randomness to looping Record Morphs. As you can see, with different random skip tick, it starts the playback at a random tick between 0 and 150. Here is also a demonstration of how it looks when you relog into the world with and without random tick skip. If the list is empty, then it's probably a bug that I didn't fix. You need to open the dashboard GUI by pressing 0 key, open player recording editor panel, and then close it. That should refresh the player recording list. Yeah, my bad. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Here are a couple of tips though. You can use action record command to record a player recording. When you're finished, you can either execute this command again, or press the record replay keybind. You can also dedicate a replay in a scene or director block, or create an entire scene, just for Record Morph player recordings. When you record a player recording specifically designed to be used with Record Morph, make sure you're facing south or 0 degrees on horizontal axis, otherwise, your actor will be looking in a wrong direction. You can align yourself toward south, either by looking up your horizontal rotation in F3 overlay. Alternatively, you can use Aperture's camera rotate 00 command to manually set horizontal and vertical rotations. And now, as you can see, the actor is perfectly oriented toward the south, and you can safely rotate it. Also, make sure to record these player recordings somewhere away from main set where they're going to be used, because these player recordings might cause walking particles or other unknown stuff to appear. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Honestly, I used Record Morph only once in my videos, but I'm me, so you guys most likely find it more useful than I will. Anyways, thanks for watching, and goodbye.